In this short video, I'll guide you through how to remove someone as an admin from a WhatsApp group. Admin roles allow users to manage group settings and members, but sometimes you may need to revoke that power from someone. Don't worry, it's a simple process, and I'll walk you through every step. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users manage WhatsApp group admin settings, including adding and removing admins effectively. Today, we'll explore how to remove someone as an admin while keeping your group organized and secure. Stay with me to also learn how to change a WhatsApp group admin. Now, let's get started on how to remove someone as an admin from a WhatsApp group. To start, open WhatsApp and go to the group chat you want to manage. Once inside, tap on the group name at the top to access the group info page. Scroll down until you see the list of participants, and you'll easily spot the admins because of the admin tag next to their names. If you have many members, use the search function to find the specific admin you wish to remove. Once you locate the person, tap and hold their name. A menu will pop up with options, including Dismiss as Admin. Select this option, and they'll immediately lose their admin privileges. The good news is that they will remain in the group as a regular member unless you choose to remove them entirely. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more WhatsApp tips. Now, let's continue with how to remove an admin from a WhatsApp group. If you need to remove multiple admins at once, here's how. Head to Group Settings. Tap Edit Group Admins. Next, uncheck the names of the admins you want to dismiss. Don't forget to tap the green checkmark to confirm your changes. But what if you'd rather change the admin instead of removing them? No worries. In this video linked here, I'll show you the easy steps to change a WhatsApp group admin. Tap to watch it after this. To explore more helpful video tutorials, check the description below and subscribe to our channel. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. For more WhatsApp video tutorials, click this card. Thank you for tuning in.